You guys are not going to want to miss these massive Shiba Inu updates. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, of course, we are going to be talking about Shiba Inu. We have a lot of news to cover in this video, so I'm going to just jump right into it. We are sitting down just about 0.04% on the day today, as you can see. And again, it's not the biggest deal in the world, guys. The reason I say that is because, again, if you look at the overall cryptocurrency market, as you can see here, some of the popular cryptocurrencies to choose from, Algorand, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Chainlink, all these other major projects are all in the green. So even though Shiba Inu is down just a little bit here, we have had spots where we have hit into 1%, even 2% at some points into the green just today. But that being said, I wouldn't be surprised if this coin is able to go green by the end of the day, if not into the later part of this evening or even tomorrow. Again, the cryptocurrency market looks very strong this weekend. A lot of money is flowing into it, which is always a good and healthy sign of just overall a healthy market. Guys, real quick, we just launched this yesterday. You guys have asked for this and we have answered. You guys wanted a private Discord server that we could create and have a like-minded community of individuals who are able to talk about cryptocurrency, the stock market, or anything related to the market at all. So guys, hit the first link down in the description below. Get signed up here. It's the best way to not only get the most up-to-date, latest, and even exclusive pieces of news as far as Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies are concerned. Literally, there are some news in that Discord server that we will not talk about on our channel just because it's either not something that we can get into a video because it is so vast and important, and basically what we need to explain is not able to do it in an 8-minute time frame, or also too, we just talk about our personal plays, what we're doing in the stock market or the crypto market. And if you guys want to be a part of a community of people to talk about crypto with, to learn from some of the best people. Again, guys, the whole goal here is to help you. I want to help you. Zach wants to help you. We here at Finance Bro want to help you, and we think that this Discord is a great answer to that. So again, hit the first link down in the description below. Get signed up, guys. It's very affordable. It's less than most Netflix or Disney Plus subscriptions that you pay every month. And of course, this is helping you and not just some mindless entertainment. So again, first link down in the description below. You guys know how it goes. But again, I want to talk about this. This is the big piece of news that we're going to be covering today, guys. Shiba Inu, as you can see here, dominance returns to Twitter. Can the price follow? So if you guys aren't familiar with what dominance means, again, I'll explain it real quick. Obviously, Shiba Inu dominance is what they're referring to when they're talking about the overall conversation, the social interactions happening on a day-to-day basis on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, wherever, whatever app you can think of. In this case, it is Twitter, of course. And they're basically talking about how often are people doing exactly that, talking about Shiba Inu, right? How many times is this being mentioned? How many times is this being hashtagged? All of this important information. So this is a very interesting catalyst. The fact that we now see that dominance is returning to Twitter as far as Shiba Inu's overall conversation goes. Let's read a little bit more. Amid the ongoing bear and panic in the decentralized industry, Shiba Inu may come out as the dark horse of cryptocurrencies. Earlier today, according to the popular crypto page on Twitter, Whale Rumors, Shib became the most mentioned hashtag in the past 24 hours. Further reiterating Shib's social media dominance, additionally, towards the end of the day, it was determined by the crypto website Watcher Guru that Shib was in fact the highest mentioned hashtag over a 72-hour period. While Shiba Inu's hashtag acquired first position, its meme token rival Dogecoin also had a little bit of run there, but I won't read too much about that because we're talking about Shiba Inu. As you can see here, these are the top 6 mentioned crypto hashtags in the last 24 hours, Shib, of course, being number 1. Now, you might be wondering, and of course, it's also reported here as well on Twitter, as you can see, all the different news accounts, of course, are talking about it. Now, you might be wondering, well, what's the significance of this? I mean, is this, does this really matter in the grand scheme of things that, okay, cool, a lot of people are talking about Shib on different social media sites, or mainly on Twitter, obviously, right now. And yes, this is a big deal, and let me explain why. What we know about Shiba Inu for the most part, which is honestly very little, because again, technical analysis is kind of a pseudoscience, and for the most part, again, it works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. But what we do know is that we can look at real world events. We can look at things that are happening in the real world as far as conversations, as far as news pieces, as far as catalysts, and we can look at those and make a somewhat assumption or a determination that, hey, this might affect the price in a certain way, being that up or down. In this case, Shiba Inu is a community-driven coin. This is a coin that is heavily influenced by its community of people who talk about it every single day. And when we have seen in the past Shiba Inu increase in social volume meaning people talking about it on certain platforms, and especially Twitter in this instance, we have not always, but we have tended to see a somewhat jump in price. Now that's not always the case, so keep that in mind. That is speculative, obviously, but I do think that it is a good sign that there could be something big coming soon. What that is exactly still remains to be seen. Again, we are in a descending triangle as far as the overall pattern of Shiba Inu goes. Again, I don't have TradingView pulled up right now just because I was doing some research earlier on a different coin, but again, if you look at this, we have been on an unfortunate little downtrend here. I would love to get into more of the technical analysis here, but I have a previous video that we made today that you guys can check out if you guys want some more in-depth technical analysis. That's why you guys should really subscribe, guys, because we are posting videos like this every single day, trying to get you guys the most up-to-date, latest, and greatest, and not only analyzation, but of course, information about Shiba Inu. And of course, that's why you guys should join the Discord as well, because we're posting information in there that we don't talk about on our YouTube video. So don't miss out. Make sure you guys hit that first link down in the description below. But I digress. Again, I think that this is a good sign for Shiba Inu. There's a lot going on with it, and of course just the fact that people are talking about it is always a good sign. Now again, I'm buying the dip today just in case there's something coming. I'm not buying a lot. I'm buying maybe a couple $100 worth. Again, if that's a lot to you, I'm just trying to tell you and be transparent of where I'm at as far as my position and overall buying habits, just so you guys are aware and understand, obviously. But again, you guys will make your own decisions at the end of the day and do what you guys want to do. I'm not telling you guys to buy, not telling you guys to do anything. Again, you guys have to make your own well-informed, well-researched decisions on your own. I am only here to provide entertainment, to provide information, and to provide just kind of my overall thoughts and opinions on things. And again, you guys make the decisions at the end of the day, of course, on your own. Here's another little tweet. I want to kind of wrap this whole video up with this because I think this is very interesting. So update, we have some big news about Shib this week, including, number one, future exchange listings, outlook for 2022, and price predictions. Please like and whatever. All right, whatever. You know what I mean. But so this is interesting. So future exchange listings, Shiba Inu reports again is kind of touting that they maybe have some news that that all of us might not know. Right, there might be some news up their sleeve that they're not really fully putting out there. But again, I wouldn't imagine that it's entirely exclusive. Again, if they have that news, I'm sure more than likely you and I will have that news. At the same time they do. I think that might be a guess personally. But this is interesting. Outlook for 2022 and price predictions. Again, guys, I would like to provide my own on that. I just wanted to point that out because I think it's a nice segue into that. I do think that Shiba Inu in 2022 is going to reach much higher prices. But again, we have to wait. We have to wait and see. It's a patience game right now, guys. December is a sucky month for the crypto markets overall. We all know this. We're all familiar with this, and we're all aware of this. That's why patience through these bad months is very, very critical for the overall success of not only your investing career as a cryptocurrency trader, investor, whatever you might be, but again, it's important for the overall mindset of being a investor, right? You buy something that you personally believe in, that you have strong convictions about, that you think will be worth more in the future at a later date, right? And of course, what comes in between that? Patience. And at the end of the day, I think, guys, even though Shiba Inu is up just about 68%, by the way, nice little way to end off the video. Again, I still think that Shiba Inu has a lot to work with here in the last month. I think we still have a little bit of volatility, a lot of consolidation going on right now. But in 2022 and beyond, in January, February, Q1, basically, I think we will see some very interesting movement from Shiba Inu indeed. If you guys haven't already, I really recommend that you guys go down in the description below and hit the link for public.com. Again, we are on public.com, and it's actually a great way to see our personal crypto and stock portfolios. You can see exactly what we're buying, what we're selling in both the stock and the crypto markets. Plus, when you guys use that link, you guys get literally free money. You guys will get a free stock that could be worth all the way up to $70. Usually it's a great selection of companies as well. And of course, they have Shiba Inu on their platform. Oh, if you guys want to hop on there and actually start trading Shiba Inu, you guys can actually hit the link down in the description below and get started there. But guys, again, still very bullish on Shiba Inu, very excited about the overall dominance returning to Twitter, and of course, just very excited overall about the future of Shiba Inu and what it has in store. Again, make sure to join our community, guys. If you guys want to join Bro Club, which is our private Discord where we talk about very exclusive Shiba Inu news, and of course, go over our personal thoughts and opinions about different cryptos and what we're buying. Of course, we talk about that in there as well and kind of our thoughts and processes behind all of it. So again, first link down in the description below, hit that up, guys. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance, bro. Take it easy.